Walk on, Madonnas. Why? I never afraid. I plank of that. Okay, so this morning, I actually see one comment and I decided I want to do a video on a comment here. When you're a content creator, you do video offer anything. So actually the comment section, in the comment section, I read this lady say something I need about Auntie Dana cake and I have Auntie Dana she say me want to go look for the comment directly. She say let me go look for the comment. I'll pause the video and go look for the comment to make sure. Alright, so the comment say Auntie Dana cake, Auntie Dana hairstyle. When you make me tell you something, this is a 1 hairstyle we are not for Auntie Dana. A for me. Oh, but Auntie Dana a hairstyle. Let me tell you, I wear this hairstyle from me idea and my knee. Me love that hairstyle and it's my favorite hairstyle. So, me now go give it to Auntie, me sorry. Me been aware, me up on Facebook from 2009 and if you not go look on my first picture where me have up on, I think maybe me black that picture there. But that is that hairstyle that me open up Facebook with 2009. Me now ask you. That hairstyle there, that's how much me I come from far with that hairstyle there, because me's not a wig person. Me not like wig like that. Me wear it every once in a while. But my hairstyle that me not give it to Auntie. Well, I feed it two away. Me have to take bad sit and make joke. Me notice say Auntie like the hairstyle. Me know, but at Jamaica, there's so much people tell me say me look like Dian. And if you don't listen to other videos when me talk about them, say me look like Dian Emmons. Say me look like Dian Emmons in that hairstyle there. When me did younger, them say me look like Dian Emmons. I mean, even did talk about it from my other page the other day where this lady said no. She said me more sweeter than the enemies, which is me not going to say that. I'm just saying that's how much me love the hairstyle. I remember having that hairstyle as young. And when me about 23 years old, people start to tell me at Jamaica say me look like Dian. If me sure me and her are not related. When me used to go up down Robin side, people always used to say that me go downtown. People used to say me look like her. So me cannot afford to give Auntie that hairstyle there. I feel me. Alright, so when me just meet Auntie, I did talk about this in one of my videos already. Say, you know, she have 4 kids. Me and her have some similarities. I remember she talking in her videos, say she used to clean office. At Jamaica, me do that for 10 years. Not just cleaning the office, but me start off doing that. And then move up to, me do it for 10 years. But it's still I do it while me growing at the company. Start, you know, using computer, start quoting prices on computer, answer telephone, the filing at the office where me used to work for 10 years. Me growing at the company so well that me could have do almost anything, almost not everything, but so much, because me learned so much within that company during that time. But at the same time, me used to still, you know, me been a do that for so many years. So it's like sometimes when me listen to her, it resonates so much. She have 4 children. She not grew up with her parents. Her mother give her away, which my mother did the same thing too. She love to cook. She love bake. There's so much things me love to cook so much. I have a passion for cooking. Me as a chef. I'm a certification then. I forgot to dig up in a folder. So there is so much things that me learn, and me learn this like within the past, like me learn a lot about Auntie, you know, but is that me start to learn more about her within the past 2 years, because me never used to be on social like that. Me never used to be on Facebook like that, and she used to be on Facebook. And me have the Facebook account, but me never used to be on Facebook. I used to mostly on YouTube, and she never used to be on YouTube. So I mean, me did barely dip on Facebook. So me learned so much about her, and there's more, but me just can't remember everything right now. But thought this before. Auntie have a good heart of helping people, and me have a passion for that as well. For helping people. Me will give away my ass and shit through my ribs. Old time people used to say. So, you know, sometimes when she communicate, it's like she talk my own language. Sometimes when I listen to her, it's like she talk, she speak. It's like a me talk. So, you know, me listen to her and me get fit understand her, and yeah. She mean a lot to me when it come on to certain things, because me feel her, me feel where she stand for. Me have the compassion of it. You know, the other, when she posts her son say him graduate from the army, at that time my son was in the army too, like him did I go through in process. And when me see Auntie post her son, I'm like, wow, look at that. And then them something that make me still start to gravitate more and more, because she just have a gold mine, and for know say she come from nothing. She's coming from like nothing, and you know, she stand and build herself, and that's me. And I have a passion for growth. That's true. And I have a passion for growth. I have a passion for growth. Right? I have a passion when it come on to growing, because of where me I come from. And me not make it define me. Me not feel sorry for myself for just put myself in a one little box and cub up myself. Me like for try new things. Me like for take chances. It's like me will try a million and one things. My husband can tell you some things me feel in it, and sometimes if me did listen to him, me wouldn't feel. But the good thing about it, me try. And if it not work out, it just not work out. But at least me try. And when me make up my mind for try, it's like nobody tell me say, nobody do it. Cause me still I go find some way go around it and do it. So if me tell you say, me want to do something, might as well you just support me, because if me stand firm to it, me I go do it. Me just I go do it. I mean now wait for you to tell me something if you do it. I just so me stay. Enough time still me will listen to my husband if him say no, you don't think that a good idea, but it depends on what. If it's something within me where me have a passion for and it a burn me out inside, for you know, try it. Even if me I go feel, me just want to try it. I mean notice that in our Auntie Dana too. I mean notice that, like that's why I gravitate so much to her, because like she just some of the things that she stand for, I'm like, it just my life was so rough. And if you don't read my book, you know we know say me know my growth, and that was one of the main reason why she have the book, because like so much of the things them. And me I tell you say the day when me see Auntie post her son say him in the army, and I'm like, jeez and peace, my son in the army, and I one son me have, and I'm like, oh my gosh, wow, it's just this connection just keep coming. So you know, it's just similar things, and those are reasons. Me have a desire for blossom. Me have a desire for growth. Me is like me just want to try new things all the time. I don't know when me not try. Me come in America here. When me did that Jamaica, me is like me feel like me did small, because me couldn't able. You know, when me used to cook at my workplace, when me used to work, them used to tell me say, if any one of them watch this video now, then we tell you how much of them tell me, then I need to have a restaurant. Because sometimes me used to just cook at the office. Me carry food, go cook and share for everybody. And we will chump up money. Everybody will chump up money and go cook. And make me cook there. You know, my boss used to love when me cook. Big up yourself, bossy. My boss used to love when me cook. Like they miss that when me leave. So, you know, you go there, you start off yourself, and this is when me did get IFIs to just clean the office, and then me just, you know, try to push myself, to elevate myself. Me never know nothing about computer, and when me I leave there, my friends say, come, I have my friends them there, and say, Donna, me don't know how you do it. You say you can't do this and you can't do that, but then you me see me and watch you I do these things. Couldn't use computer. I never even know if she move a mouse. And when me left there, right now I have computers, I have tablet, see my laptop here right up on my desk. I have my desktop downstairs on my other desk. I have a computer up there so where they where crash me need to carry the office because I have all the something up there. So I have tablets. I have tablets. I have the amount of gadget when we have right now. I mean, know if you use every one of them. I mean, never go to school. Every single one of them, I know how to do things on computer. I not go to school, I teach myself. So for sure you say, I have cameras, I have phones. That is one. Two over there, so me elevate my brain. Always I try new things. You see this is my nail product. I make it from scratch. I print my label. So my printer here, my own printer. I print me, set it up. I print my labels. Me ship off my items. I don't know what I do. I don't know what I try. If I'm not looking at something, I want to see where I make my sauce, but then the city tell me say I cannot make my sauce from home. I have a commercial kitchen, which is, you know, everybody I make sauce. Sauce full in the supermarket. I used to make my sauce them different. So I just start make them because for sauce, I sell sauce and I don't have the market for the sauce. So I just say, alright then, this is something where I go quit. Which is my mother teach me how to make the sauce. I never really want to do that. 10 story in that one. But my mother teach me how to make the sauce and she dead and gone. I would I really want to, you know, push that sauce business. But when I'm looking at the supermarket and see how much sauce I sell for way less than the sauce that I sell for, just decide say, you know, sauce it now go, me now go make it hold me back. I just go try new things and move on. And I just keep trying. Still don't hit the jackpot with the right thing yet, but I keep trying. So just keep trying. Just keep trying. Try and try. You will succeed. Remember that. But anyways, that is just my little thoughts today on this vlog, and I'm gonna go live showing us something also we can do. I don't know what we can do. I wanna put something to the test and tell me. Maybe try it. Trust me, I made that. And there is more to come because I have so much more ideas in my head. The other thing is this too, you know, it's like I get ideas like first thing in the morning when I wake up is like get ideas so freshly, new things come to my brain. I just want to try some of them, not all of them, but so some of them can be difficult. I don't know if you know see the story of how I express myself when I build my food truck right there in the back part of my yard there. So I build the food truck and then, you know, talk to the city, communicate with them, the permit department and everywhere. I don't know if you see that video there, you can always go look for it on my page and watch it. And how them discourage me here in the city here. Them very strict. So I you know sell the food truck. I'm just want to move on, but a part of me it pain me because that food truck did build with so much love and so much joy. It pain me that, you know, me feel that me see that one thing that me did me should have really know. Me never figure it out. Me figure it out, but me think say it was correct and it never correct. So, you know, me should I get more information before me build it. But I'm glad somebody did build it at the end of the day. But me should I get more pertaining to the zoning, where and where to park it. Me never get that, and that is one thing that discouraged me so much. And when I am discouraged, it don't make sense to keep doing anything. I do everything. I get all the other permits. We get my food manager certification, everything, you know, to proceed that dream that may have, that, you know, to be a business owner, have multiple food truck around the country. That was one of my dream, but I give that up. Now I got it so. Alright, food is something that always sell and that's a need. So if you're going to food, you can't really go wrong. But just move on from that, you know. Try other things and divert into other things. So big up on yourself, and I hope so whatever dreams you have and aspiration and don't let anyone or anything stop you. Keep pushing. We go and leave them. Start off with auntie, me end with something else. You see how I can drift all over the place? I saw me turn, no pay me no mind. That's what it is. Drift. How the dance go? I can't dance. Later. Gracie said I can't dance to save my life. Adios guys. Enough love and respect. Big up on yourself, my danas.